I've always had bad dentition. It started off when I fell and broke my front two teeth as a child, so pretty much all my life I've just sort of been keeping up with it, and expensively keeping up with it. But I've arrived at an age and stage where I was pretty close to needing a full denture up top, and I didn't look forward to that prospect much. And I've heard of All on 4, and I was sort of having a look at that, but I didn't really like the look of that, because you sort of had the gum and then you had the teeth, and it looked an acrylic thing and only on 4 implants. But as I was researching that, excuse me, I came up with Dr. Motowalla's website, and it impressed me as a very professional website. And there was a part on the website for international patients, and so when I had a look in there, there were a lot of testimonies, written testimonies from people right around the world, England, USA, Australia, and there were also these video testimonies, and I got the sense of how genuine the testimonials were. And so I had a look at the type of implants that were used, and I was able to research that online, and I gained more confidence with that. And I had a few questions, and I was able to speak to Dr. Motowalla, and from those phone conversations, I just thought, what an intelligent man he was, and through talking with him, I learned that he had some really great ethics. He only recommended what I really needed. So my wife needed some root canal treatment, and her top teeth were starting to be misaligned, and she had a tooth that was missing down below, and so she was getting to the point that she needed a full mouth restoration as well. So anyway, we decided to take the leap of faith, and came to India and Tasneem, and arranged our motel. We stayed at the Radisson Blu, and in 2014 we went through Europe, and we stayed at the Radisson Blu, and this one here is every bit as good as the Radisson Blu there. Tasneem looked after all their transfers from the airport to the Radisson Blu, and then for all of our transfers to the clinic and back. And the clinic, fair income, it's better than any dental clinic that I've been to in Australia by a long shot. And especially I noticed before I came, I had an OPG, or a panoramic X-ray, on the Gold Coast in Australia at a private radiology, and the equipment that they have here is well and truly exceeds the quality that we had there, which is amazing. And pretty much everything that you'll see on the website is 100% true. Dr. Mollawalla ended up putting in 12, extracting the remaining teeth and the crowns that we're giving away, put in 12 implants and put a zirconia bridge. It feels very, very comfortable. And on my bottom teeth I had 1 tooth missing, and I had an implant and a crown put on that, and the rest of them I had zirconia crowns. And I haven't been able to smile like this for many, many years. So I'm just ecstatic, over the moon at the treatment, and the lovely people, and it's just been a totally professional encounter. And my wife, she's had zirconia, 1 implant, or another 2 teeth that were past being repaired, taken out and replaced with implants. and then the rest are zirconia crowns. So, and she's very happy and delighted with her smile makeover. And yeah, no, if you're where we were, thinking about whether you should come or not, I can tell you if you had this sort of work done in Australia or where if you US or England, you know, you'll be paying a massive amount more than you pay here, and I doubt that you could get any better dental care anywhere in the world. So yeah, thank you to Dr. Motawala and his staff. Thank you.